to my art channel. Without further ado, let's get drawing.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my easy Procreate tutorials. These aren't just for beginners, but they're for everybody. So if you've been wanting to get into digital drawing, or you feel like you're at a level now that you want to learn new things and maybe go into new styles, then this video is definitely for you. So all on my previous videos, I've been doing collections of themed designs. I did a collection of woodland animals, which we completed. So if you haven't done them, go back and check them out. We've also done a few Christmas videos, which we're continuing today. So for today's one, we're going to do a really cool dot snowflake. Now, dot art is something that's been around a long time, but people are now using it in logos, in branding, in various design areas to make their artwork, make their logo, make everything just pop and make it something really unique. So I love the dot style, and as you can see, it's really fun and really easy to do, and I figured that the Christmas theme would be a really good idea to put together with this dot art. So we're just going to do today a really easy dot snowflake. So first of all, I'm going to open up a 12 by 12 inch canvas. This is 300 dpi, so it's good for printing. I'm going to click on my spanner, canvas, and I'm going to turn on my drawing guide. I'm going to edit my drawing guide and click on symmetry, but today we're not going to use the vertical symmetry. We're going to click on options and we're going to use this bottom one. Now, this symmetrical effect is awesome. I love it. So I'm just going to show you. When you draw one line, you draw lines everywhere in a symmetrical effect. So the brush today that I'm going to use is one we haven't used before. It's under the inking and it's a marker brush. Now, this marker brush is really, it replicates a felt tip pen. So I'm going to change my background color because I'm going to be using white as the main color for this snowflake. So first of all, we're just going to start by creating some circles, which we're going to bring out, and then we're going to create the outside of the snowflake. So choose a white color, go ahead and just, your pen size, your brush size should be about 6, maybe a little bit more, but no more. I'm just going to zoom in and I'm going to create just around here a small circle like so. I'm now going to choose a light blue and I'm just going to create again a circle around the edge. Now then I'm going to choose a different blue and I'm just going to turn my brush size down and I'm just going to create some blue dots here, and then we're going to do some circular dots like so. Now we are going to create a diamond shape and some, obviously, which is going to be the snowflake lines. So just pick again your white color, make the brush size a little bit bigger, and just go ahead and create a line with dots all the way down. Like this. Now I'm choosing one section to work on because if I work on this section, then obviously it's going to repeat itself on all the other sections. So where the line meets the symmetrical line, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to do a diagonal line to make a diamond shape here. I'm going to bring these out a little further. So you want the diamond line to be kind of in the middle. And then we're going to do a smaller diamond there. And you can also create, obviously, as you can see, flowers. You can, you know, just loads of different types of styles of art that you can use with dots. So go back to your blue. I'm using 3 colors, a light blue, medium blue, and a white. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw with circles. I'm using the marker pen because it gives a furry, kind of wintry snow effect. And then also, as you can see, I will show you now. If you go over it again, it makes it darker because it is replicating using a felt tip pen. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my light blue. I'm going to make my brush size bigger, and I'm just going to add on the inside of here some dots. Now with this felt tip pen, the harder that you press onto your screen, the thicker the brush will be regardless. So always take that into consideration. I'm just going to do some circles, and then in my darker blue again, I'm going to do the same on the inside here. Now again, there's no right or wrong way to do this style. They're really fun, really easy, really good to play about with, and then you can duplicate these, create different colors, different styles, different patterns, and create flowers, mandalas, snowflakes. There's just loads that you can do with this style, with this dot style. So just play about with it and get used to it. I'm going to go back to my white, and as you can see, I'm just creating curves and dots to create this snowflake. You can use any colors you like, any tones that fit with your whatever you're drawing. This is something really easy to do for beginners. It's a really cool style, which I love using. It's fun. Okay, so there you can see we have a basic dot snowflake. I'm just going to turn off my drawing guide just so that I can see how it looks without the lines. Now I'm going to go ahead and try and use one of my element brushes. Now you've got snow, you've got clouds. Now, if we go down here to organic, we've got a cotton brush, which I really like to use. It actually looks like snow. So I'm just going to go and alpha lock my layer. And I'm just going to try on the blue. I'm going to turn the brush size down quite a bit. I'm just going to try and add a gradient effect, which kind of looks like snow, just on the on the blue, just to give it some extra depth. Okay, I like that. And then you can go ahead and change your background color, whichever suits the style that the colors that you're using. You can also add a new layer, bring it down beneath the snowflake, and you can use the elements, the snow, and you can create a snow effect as if it's snowing. Like so. And then you can just resize these and duplicate them. And rotate them to make a fun snowflake pattern. So that's it for today. A really easy tutorial, really quick, something that you can do really quickly and have amazing effects with. So I will see you in the next video, which is going to be another Christmas one.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me in creating more free videos for all of you out there. So if you want to come and join my Procreate group, the links are in the description. I'd love for you to be a member of my group. We can share awesome ideas, tips, and artwork. Also, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram so that I can see what work you've created from this awesome tutorial. So love to you all, and I'll see you in the next video.